Hello guys. So I was going to show you, this is Bushra from Bushra's Lifestyle. I was going to show you a new couch, unboxing it. Here's the little girl coming in the box. But somehow my video got deleted and I can't restore it. So I unboxed it, I ordered it on Wayfair and we're assembling it. It is a beautiful color. I bought it with 6 years warranty. I paid extra for 5 years. So it's easy to assemble. All you have to do, these are the two sides, came in 3 boxes. 2 sides, we already put the feet on them. And my husband is going to attach it. It's two people's job, but he's going to do it alone. So here, these are the things you attached on them. You need help to hold it. Okay, and that's the back of it. Here, can you guys see it? We're going to remodel and redecorate our living room. That is the bottom of it. It's super lightweight couch, very, very lightweight. So it's just, but both sides are like black like this. And here, as I said, it's if 2 people, but I'm holding the phone, so I might not be helping him. He's just going to do it by himself. I was so excited to show you while we were opening it, so so you can see how the packing was. They did a great job with packing. And then you just attached those things to this. These clips goes together. Do you need help? I probably help him and then I'll show you guys. So here, we just put both sides together on the couch. It's a 88 inches long couch. Is it 88 inches, right? Yes, 88 inches. So then this one is going in the back. It's so easy to assemble, like really easy to assemble. It is going to help, and my mom is helping him. I hope you guys can see it. It looks really pretty. Cushion. And here's the whole couch. It really, really looks pretty, beautiful. I hope you guys like it. And super easy to assemble, colors beautiful, and itself looks really pretty. In the box, when I opened up, I was thinking, oh my gosh, might not look that nice. But yes, it does look really beautiful. And I hope you can see the whole couch right now. Here is our princess sitting on it. And I hope you like the video and give me a thumbs up and let me know what kinds of video you would like to see. There's our cat. And I'm gonna show you where it's going. This couch we're going to replace with that. And we're gonna make wainscoting and paint it. So follow along with me. I'll show you as however we will be doing it. Then you'll be seeing that whole process. Give me a thumbs up, guys. It's nice to have a little family on YouTube. Although my little family is small little right now, but one day we will all grow together.